A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is again your English teacher, Miss Rashika Bhalla, and we are going to do English literature today. And in English literature, children, we are going to revise. We are going to revise the very first lesson which we have done, A Day with Panda. Okay, children, I hope you all remember pandas. We have seen two pandas, children, a giant one which looks like this, black and white, and the red panda which looks like this. Okay? Yes, children, I hope you all remember. Let us quickly see the lesson from the book now. Lesson 1, A Day with Panda. Children, I will be reading it for you all once again, and you all will pay attention. Miss Patil has a surprise for the children. Today, she is teaching them about the panda, her favorite animal. Miss Patil asked the children, "Do you know how many kinds of pandas there are?" Children, we have seen in this passage, in this paragraph, that Miss Patil is the name of the teacher. She is teaching her children about pandas, okay, and pandas are her favorite animal. The way we have some of the other animal as favorite, Miss Patil also has pandas as favorite. Is that okay, children? Yes. So when Miss Patil asked the children, "Do you know how many kinds of pandas there are?" the girl named Swati answers. Okay, let's see what she answers. Swati says, "I think there are 2 kinds, ma'am." "Yes, that's correct," says Miss Patil. "There are 2 kinds of pandas, the giant panda, which is black and white, and the red panda, also called the lesser panda." Children, when Miss Patil asked the children that do they have any idea how many kinds of pandas there are, the girl named Swati answers that there are 2 kinds. Then Miss Patil tells the children about the 2 kinds of pandas. The one was giant panda, children, which you have already seen, and you can see it on your screen right now. It is there in the book as well. And the red panda, which is also known as lesser panda. Okay, children? Just then there is a knock on the door. Miss Patil opens it. Oh, what a lovely surprise! Children, please welcome Panda. He is a giant panda. He is here to answer all your questions. Okay, so children, we have seen till here that Miss Patil, when she was telling her students about panda, there was a knock on the door and giant panda enters. Okay, the teacher along with the children get surprised. Okay, they are surprised. You can see an exclamatory mark here, children. Yes, an exclamatory mark shows a sudden feeling, a strong feeling. Okay, hence this is an exclamatory sentence. Do you remember we have done this in English language just a day before, right? Okay, so Miss Patil and the children, they get surprised, right? And Miss Patil, she tells her children that whatever question they want to ask, they can ask the panda and the panda will be answering them directly. Okay? Okay, children, let us read again. The children are very excited to see Panda. They want to feel his fur. But Miss Patil says, questions first. Okay, children, this says that when the giant pandas enter the class, everybody, all the students, they get very excited. Okay? Imagine if a panda enters your class. You people will also get excited, right? Similarly, the students also got excited. They wanted to go and touch the panda, okay, to feel the fur. But Miss Patil, the teacher, tells them that they are going to ask the questions from the giant panda first. Is that okay, children? Alright, let us now see the second page once again. Once again means you've already seen this before once, right? Alright. "Where do you come from?" asked Robin. Panda replies, "We, giant pandas, are usually found in the forests of central China. My cousins, red pandas, are found not only in China but also in Myanmar, Nepal, and the Himalayan forest of India. Okay, children, here we have seen that a student named Robin, he asked the first question from the giant panda, and his question is, where do you come from? He wants to know that where these giant pandas are found. Where is their home? Okay. So the giant panda tells that they are found in the forest of central China, but red pandas are found not only in China but also in Myanmar, Nepal, and the Himalayan forest of India. Alright, children. Now let us see what Amir asks. How big do you grow? Asked Amir. Very big. Male giant pandas grow to about 6 feet in height and weigh more than 110 kilos. Female giant pandas weigh less, at about 105 kilos. Okay, children, we have seen in this paragraph that the other boy named Amir asked the second question from giant panda, which is, how big do you grow? Giant panda answers that they grow very big. Okay, their height is about 6 feet and their weight is about 110 kilos. Female giant pandas are comparatively lesser in weight, which is about 105 kilos. Is that okay, children? Now let's see what happened. What is your favorite food? Asked Smita. Our favorite food is bamboo. We can eat bamboo for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We eat its stem, leaves, and shoots. We have to eat large quantities of bamboo to get the nourishment we need. We can spend about 10 to 12 hours a day eating, but captive pandas found in zoos have a wide variety of food. They may eat cereals, milk, and garden vegetables. Okay, children, so you have seen here that a girl named Smita asked the third question from the panda, which is, what is your favorite food? She wants to know the favorite food of pandas, red and giant both. Okay, giant panda tell them that their favorite food is bamboo, children. Okay, you can see in the picture at the bottom of the page how the bamboo looks. Okay, this is how the bamboo looks. Pandas, be it red panda, be it giant panda, both the pandas like bamboo the most. Okay, they can eat bamboo anytime, be it breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the time, and they can eat the whole bamboo, stem, leaves, shoots, everything. All right, and they eat in large quantities, children, because they are big in size, right? So they need to eat a lot. They need nourishment, okay, to keep themselves healthy. They eat a lot. They eat around 10 to 12 hours a day. The captive pandas, which are there in zoo, okay, they also like bamboo, but they get to eat cereals, milk, and garden vegetables also. Is that okay, children? Now let us read from the book again. Everybody pay attention in the book. Please tell us more about the red panda, says Rohit. Our cousins, red pandas, are much smaller. They usually grow as big as a full-grown cat. They have long bushy tails, reddish-brown fur on the back, and black fur on the belly. They too love to eat bamboo, but they also eat insects and fruits, and sometimes small animals. Children, after the third question, which was asked by Smita, Rohit, the other student of the class, asked the giant panda to tell them more about red pandas. Okay, children? To which giant panda replied that red pandas are comparatively smaller in size than the giant pandas. Okay, they grow to the size of a full grown cat. Okay, children, Yes, and they have long bushy tails, reddish brown fur, black fur on the belly. Okay, these red pandas also love to eat bamboo, children. Okay, but they eat insects, fruits, and small animals also. Is that okay, children? Yes. Now let us read again from the book. Then Miss Patil tells the children, did you know that the lives of the giant panda and the red panda are in danger? People are cutting down their natural home, the bamboo forest. Really? That's very sad. We must save our forest to help them, ma'am, said Lisa. Yes, Lisa, we must, said Miss Patil. Children, in the last few lines, you have seen that Miss Patil tells the children then that the lives of giant pandas are in danger. Okay, not only giant pandas, red pandas also, children. Their life are in danger because people like us are cutting down their natural home, their forest, the bamboo forest where they live, and hence they have no place to live. Okay, children. This make all the children very sad. And then Lisa, one of the student, says that we should do something to save our forest. Okay, we should try to save the pandas. Is that okay, children? So you have seen this story before and once again today, right? We have learnt about giant pandas and red pandas in this. Now you will think and answer that why these pandas are in danger and what we can do to save them. Alright, children, we will be discussing this lesson again in the class. Do read it properly. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.